Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 X 彤。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. This whole month we're talking about getting ill, and today let's focus on going to the hospital or going to a clinic. 这个月呢，我们都是讲一些病痛。病痛到底怎么说？
毛病吗？毛病针头。
针头有些针头就对了。
对。
Okay, so you might need to go to the doctor or the hospital, and there's certain steps you need to take when you go there. For instance, when you get to the location, you're going to have to make an appointment or make an appointment in advance. 我们要先挂号，对不对？
对。
我要挂号。
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 海陆的挂号。挂号。
挂号，这比较像台语一点。挂号，挂号啊，对不对？
对，都很像啦。
对啊，其实这就跟寄信那个挂号两个字一样嘛，对不对？对哈 ，OK, it's the same phrase as mailing registration mail. Then they're going to ask you which department do you want to go to? 你要看哪一科？
我要看哪科？
看哪一科？内科啊？不，没有，我要看哪一科哦？
看哪一科？
哪一科？看
哪一科？
还是跨哪一口？什么东西啊？好紧张哦！你在讲什么？我脸红了。
看哪一科？
看哪一科就是看哪一科？
看哪一科？
哦，这就是看哪一科的意思哦。
对。
Okay, that means which department do you want to visit? All right? 那感冒嘛，经常要看的就是耳鼻喉科。
逆鼻喉科。
这就是耳鼻喉，就是逆鼻喉口。Okay, 逆鼻喉科。
Yeah.
So that's the ENT department, which stands for ear, nose, and throat. Okay. 那有的时候真的是可能不是这个小感冒而已，真的这个一定要学好。万一有要挂急诊的话，我要挂急诊。I need to go to the ER emergency room.
我要挂急诊。
我要挂急诊。So there you have it. Let's review some of these terms again. When you're going to the hospital, you need to make an appointment. 我要挂号。
我要挂号。
我要挂号。And then which department do you want to visit? 你要看哪一科？
我要看哪一科？
别看哪一科啊！我要看哪一科？And then maybe I want to visit the ENT department, ear, nose, and throat department.
逆鼻喉科。
逆鼻喉科。And finally, hopefully not, but if you have to, I need to go to the ER.
我要挂急诊。
我要挂急诊。So there you have it. Very practical Hakka for you.
什么大家？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affair.